Want to make a movie? Say hello, world. Hello. Look at this. This is a phone. We'll have one in a couple years. Camera phone. It'll be the iPhone 22 by the time you're ready. You like it here so far? You're about 2.5 hours old. Day 1. Guess who I am? I'm your daddy. Don't look so thrilled. Yeah? I'll do? Yeah, you're right. Welcome to the world, baby. Hi, Blue Eyes. Hi, Blue Eyes. Welcome to the world.
Start to cut the cord down?
Sure.
I'm going to cut right between this yellow one and this silver one.
Okay.
Brian, can you grab a picture of him doing?
Between the silver and the...
And that feels good.
Lilia, first bath. What do you think?
That feels good. Look at it. You come take
First bath, baby. Lilia,
good.
Lilia, are you having a good bath?
Good.
Oh. Lilia, we're at the park. What do you see? The leaves? You like the leaves up there? You're watching the leaves in the wind. They're blowing in the wind, right? Yeah. It's a nice day outside. It's a beautiful day to sit outside. Yeah. You want to do happy baby pose? Happy baby? I love you. Stop kicking me. Why are you kicking me? Stop kicking me with those little feet. Stop kicking me. Stop kicking me. That's not funny. Give me 5. You talking? What do you want to say to Mommy? Say hi. Hi. Say Mama. 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 Come on, Lilia. Lilia, come get it. Come get the block. Come to Daddy. Come on. Come here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, Scooter. Scooty, Scooty, Scoot. Come on. Come on. Come here. Come on over. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Here. Come get it. Come get it. Come on. I know you can do it. I know you can do it. Come on. Scooty Scoots. Scooty Scoots. Come on. Keep coming. Come on. Come on, Scoots. Come on. Dada. Come to Dada. Come here. Come here. Are you coming? Are you coming over here or not? Come on. Come on.
You want to talk? Are you taking it? Oh, you want to talk to Grandma and Grandpa? Hi. Yes, hi. What is?
Lily. Lily, it's Grandma. Hi.
Say hi.
Hi. Hi, Lily. I can't wait till you come and see me.
We're going to go fly in an airplane and see Grandma and Grandpa. What do you think?
Do you like that?
Are you pooping?
Are you talking to me?
Don't,
Okay.
don't hang up. Say hi. Hi.
Say hi to Grandpa. Hi, Lily.
Who's
Hi,
that?
Lily.
Who's that? That's Grandpa. Yay! You want to hold the phone? It's Grandpa.
Are you walking? Are you walking now, Lilia?
Almost.
Almost?
Yeah.
Oh, you know that video? Lilia walking with her walker.
Yeah.
There was another YouTube after that one of Lilia walking.
Oh, yeah, I have to see that. I saw that. You wrote that. I got to take a look. I've been meaning to do that. I'm going to...
Her name is
Bless you. Hi. Come on. Come on. Come walk. You know how to do it. Come on. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. Come on. Whoop. Get back up. Fall down, get back up. Come on. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. There she is. That's the baby. That's the baby. Yeah, that's the baby. Come on, keep coming. Keep coming. Yeah, that was awesome. Awesome. Yeah, Dada.
Sam, my face. Yoga mat. Cushion. Let's go now.
Let's walk.
Let's go, Lilia. You walking? You walking?
Whoa.
You walking?
Oh. Let's go.
Come on.
Let's
Come on.
walk.
Come on. Come on.
Let's walk, honey.
Take some steps. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Come on.
Yes. Good girl.
There you
Yes.
go. There you go. Keep going. Take a few more steps.
Yes.
Yeah.
You walk.
Yeah. Look at you go. Look at you.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. Look how proud you are. Keep going.
You did it.
You keep going.
Yes.
Keep going. Keep going. Take a few more steps. You all done?
Let's back up. That's a lot of work.
Yeah. You smiling? Keep coming.
Look out, Daddy. Here I come.
Look, oh, I gotta back up. You're moving quick. No. Keep your hands on.
We need a break, huh?
Okay, now you're on your knees.
Very nice.
Ah, good job.
Very nice.
Good job. Lilia's first swing run. Big brother Luke is pushing Lilia.
Kisses. Kisses.